Hi everyone, welcome to Creating My Garden. My name's Jacqueline, and today we're going to plant up some peonies that I have in the bags. So I have a assorted mix of peonies. I have 2 packages, which is 6 of the mixed peonies from the yard, and then I have 1 package of the Duchess de Nemours that we're going to plant up as well. And the reason I'm planting them is I'm very afraid they're going to start to rot. So let's begin this process. First of all, I am gonna go and fill my pot with dirt. So let's do this 1 pot, see how many I can fit in there. We'll see how big these roots are. Dirt, you can get your dirt anywhere. This is from Walmart, this particular dirt. So you can see I'm only filling it about 2 inches full. Gonna have a seat here. Move this out of the way so you can see. There we go. And let's open these up. So we're gonna open the assorted first and see what we have. Pull that off, and I'm gonna open it up over here just because there's gonna be some peat and stuff in it. And I'm gonna tip it upside down. Let's see what these roots look like. Let's see if there's any shoots on them. Now I have a paintbrush here just so I can kind of have a good look at the shoots and see if I can find a shoot. We want to face the shoots up. So we got a shoot right there. You can see it right there. And then you see there's supposed to be 3 in here. Oh, this one looks really good, you guys. Check this out. Excellent. Look at the shoots on that. And we have another one here. This one might be a little questionable. Let's see here if we find anything to indicate that. Okay, this one is toast. And the reason I say that is, look, it's rotted right through, all the way down the stem. So this one is garbage. All right, so out of that bunch of assorted, I got 2 good ones. So I'm just gonna place them in here. Shoots up. I'm going to dig them down a little bit more in the soil and make sure they're in. I'm saving lots of room so I can fit the other assorted in the same container is my thinking on this. Okay, let's open the other bag and see what we got with this. This is the assorted. These bags are well sealed. And we're going to dump them in as well. Actually, I'm going to dump them into this container so I can pick them out. Wow, I'm impressed already. Look at that, you guys. That's excellent. Absolutely excellent. So we're gonna move that one over here since we've got the room to do this. And I'm just gonna plant it in, actually on its side, like that on an angle. I've got another one here. Look at that, great shoots. Very, very happy with that. And it's gonna go over here. I'm gonna bury it in. Okay, and then we're gonna see the other one. This one's toast, it's soft, look at that. So when you get your bulbs and you go through them in the bags, get them out and get them into the pots because this is what happens, see, they're rotted. So out of 6 plants, 2 were bad, so we got 4 out of that bunch. So I'm just gonna cover them over with some of that dirt. I am gonna spread a little bit of sulfur dust in there for fungus just because there was some rot. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it over here, just over top of the area. Make sure I get it on top of them, you can see it. All right, and then I'm gonna fill some more dirt. Wrong corner. That should be good. Covering them over good, backing them down. Okay, that's that bin done. Now we got some dirt left over, some peat actually left over from the other one. So we're gonna plant those 2 separately and then we're gonna label them. just breaking up the crumbs in here, the little dirt lumps. Okay, so this is the one we're planting, the Duchess. She is a striking white. And we're going to empty them into the pot and see what we got there. Now that package contained only 2, so let's cross our fingers. We have 2 good ones in this. We do. Beautiful. Look at the shoots on that. And lots of roots. So we're just going to set that out, give it lots of room. And this one also has roots. And they're solid. So that's the key. So let's plant them in there. Up. I don't need to put any sulfur on these because they look really good. They're nice and solid. And we're just going to cover them over until we can plant outside. And if you watch my other video, you'll notice that we still have lots of snow, so that's why these have to go in here and they can't go out yet. Well, that makes me very happy. Awesome. All right, so I'm just gonna grab a pen and I'm gonna write the labels. Just so you can have a good view, just moving everything around. All right, so this one is the Peony. There's 4, and this is assorted. So make sure you label them so you know what you got, especially if you want to plant certain colors in certain areas of the yard. And we're going to put them in there, like that. And the next one is the Duchess. And I just want to look at the tag of the Duchess to make sure I get it right. A Duchess de Nemours. And 2, so I marked how many are in the bin. All right, so that's that. Those are planted up. You want to lightly water those in after. The big thing with peonies is these are peonies roots. So peony roots take 3 years to flower when you plant them in the garden. So you want to plant them fairly shallow, but make sure they're covered probably about an inch, inch and a half at the most. And you want to plant them away from the house. And the reason I suggest you don't plant near a house with peonies is because the nectar of the peonies, you will see, become covered in ants. So if you don't want ants in your house, I recommend you don't plant them close to the house. So plant them in an area in the yard where you can enjoy them, and you'll see blooms in 3 years. All right, so that's the scoop on peonies. So patience is a key with growing peonies bare roots. If you don't want to wait the 3 years for blooms, then I highly recommend you buy one already planted up that's at least 3 years old from one of the greenhouses. All right, so that's everything for peonies. Real simple to pot them up. We got a few more weeks here till we can get these in the ground. So I want to say thank you for watching my video. Please like and hit that bell and subscribe to this video. I want to grow my membership, and to keep these videos coming, I need you to start watching my videos, and as well, let gardening warm your soul. Thank you, everyone.